What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Aston Shanae. Welcome back to The Juice. Child, Azealia Banks is at it again. Now, just a couple weeks ago, she was crying with snot running down her nose because she said Russell Crowe spit on her and called her the N-word. Now, this week, she's letting everybody and their mama know how happy she is that Trump was elected president. She says, but I'm really laughing because Jay-Z and Beyonce really were up there shucking and bucking for Hillary, and she still lost. She had Pharrell, old Jimmy the Cricket looking self up there with that Sambo hat on going hard in the paint. Bees was not in formation. Hillary even tried to say she had hot sauce in her bag. She pulled out all the most typical stuff and still lost. Now, if that wasn't bad enough, she had this to say in support of Donald Trump. She says, first off, I would like to apologize to Donald Trump for all the stupid jokes I made. I was just kidding. Secondly, I would like to apologize for all the other times I was dumb enough to let the liberal media sway my opinion of you. Thirdly, I'm effing proud as F of you. She's talking about Donald Trump here now, y'all. But anyway, she goes on to say, 1 for being a Gemini, 2 for being from NYC, 3 for winning the presidency, and 4 for beating the media. The last part is your biggest victory in my eyes, and I must say that I am truly inspired by this and feel deep amounts of vindication. Thanks for letting me know that I'm not crazy. Child, she gets on my everlasting nerve. But y'all know what? I'm not even going to waste any more time on her. Moving on. Well, I'm definitely going to need you guys' opinions in this situation because y'all know I don't get in other people's business like that. Well, we're about to be out of here, but before we go, we want you guys to leave us a like. And remember to subscribe to our channel for the juiciest gossip commentary around. And don't be shy. Leave us your opinions in the comments. Good, bad, or indifferent. I love them all. And with that being said, you guys, we are out of here.